Hey there, guess what's around the corner? UAE National Day. Get ready for a weekend full of excitement and unity. Let's dive into the ultimate guide of things to do during this celebration.
Kick off the celebrations at Etihad Arena, Abu Dhabi on December 1st. Hussein Al Jasmi, Balkis, and Ahlam are hitting the stage, promising an unforgettable night of national anthems and chart-topping hits. Doors open at 7 p.m., show starts at 8.
Don't miss the dazzling fireworks at Blue Waters Island. Global Village is back in action. Explore pavilions from around the world, shop for international goodies, and catch live performances. Embark on a marine adventure at SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. Immerse yourself in captivating shows, interactive exhibits, and over 75 experiences. Get ready to paint the town red, white, green, and black. UAE National Day is all about unity, culture, and making unforgettable memories. Tag your squad and let the celebrations begin.